Be on the lookout for part 2 of this video, where now I take you through my favorite skincare products, my makeup products, as well as my tips and tricks on what you can do really when you don't have a lot of time to just look put together every single day. Alright, this is part 2 of how to always look put together for girls on a rush. Let's get into the skincare products, because I find that when it comes to makeup, when your skin is glowing, when your skin is taken care of, when your skin is nourished and moisturized, really you don't really have to spend that much time on your makeup. So that is why I want to start from the beginning with skincare. So the first product that I'm going to show you is this cleanser from The Ordinary. It's a glucoside foaming face cleanser. It's gentle. It does not strip my face. I find that with most cleansers, you have to cleanse your face maybe 2 or 3 times before you can feel like your face is clean, your skin is clean. Honestly, I only do one cleanse with this one, and my skin always feels really clean. It does not make me feel dry, because I find that with other cleansers, you cleanse, yes, your skin feels clean and all of that, but then all of a sudden your skin feels very dry, very tight. You can feel that it really did strip your face. This one, it really does not do that. It just cleanses my face without stripping it, without me feeling like my face is about to crack, because really you do find that with other cleansers. So I love this cleanser. This is what I've been using in the morning and in the evening. And then after cleansing, I've been using this glycolic acid toner, again from The Ordinary. It's got 7% glycolic acid. This toner really helps my skin with, pigmentation, because I am somebody that did struggle with acne for a very long time. From when I was a teenager well into my 30s, I was still breaking out with acne. So I did have a lot of acne scars that accumulated over the years. So this glycolic acid toning solution, it really helps with the acne scars. It lightens the scars and pigmentation and all of that, and it opens my pores so that when I apply my serums, they are really absorbed into the skin. So after I cleanse my skin with the cleanser that I just showed you, I use this glycolic acid toner, and like I'm saying, my skin has been loving it. This does help even out my skin tone. It does help to lighten out those acne scars that have accumulated over the years, hyperpigmentation and all of that. So I love. After the toner, this is one of the serums that I will apply on my skin. When I tell you that it had hardly been 2 weeks since I started using these products from The Ordinary, when I started using them, my daughter would always comment on how radiant my skin looked. This is alpha arbutin, and this is the niacinamide serum, 10% niacinamide plus 1% zinc. It's high strength vitamin and mineral blemish formula. These two together, when I tell you, they are fighting hard. They are fighting those blemishes hard. They are keeping them far away from my skin. So I'm loving these serums. Love. The combination of these two serums and the glycolic acid toner, it has really done wonders for my skin. My skin is just smooth, it's glowing, it's even toned, it's radiant. In the morning, I really don't have time for a 10-step skincare routine. This is all I do. I cleanse, toner, serums, and then I apply my favorite moisturizer, which is the Nivea cream and the Nivea sunscreen. That is all I do. That is why I wanted to start with skincare, because like I said, before you move on into makeup, you need to take care of your skin. Your skin will thank you. Your makeup is also going to look so much better when your skin is taken care of. So invest in some skincare products that work for your skin type, that work for your skin concerns. You are the one who knows your skin. You are the one who knows what your skin needs. But it's important to invest in skincare products that really takes care of the concerns that you have for your skin type, for the issues that you have with your skin, so that by the time you get to makeup, you really don't need to do much. All right, now let's get into makeup, my favorite part. If you know me, you know how much I love makeup. Love makeup. I love applying makeup. I love just seeing my face come together. Not that I don't like how I look without makeup. I just enjoy makeup. But like I said, as much as I enjoy applying makeup, I also enjoy taking it off and just nourishing my skin and just feeling like, I'm taking care of my skin. Now, like I said, I love makeup. I've tried tons and tons of makeup products in the past. I guess I was just looking for that products that I'm just gonna be happy with. I've found those products. These products have made my makeup routine so simple. They just take my makeup look to another level. After 8-12 hours, my makeup will still be looking so good. People will still be commenting on how good my makeup looks without me having to do any touch-ups at all. I'm happy that I found these products that work for me, that are quick and easy, that are also multi-purpose. That way I don't have to have tons and tons of products, but still I can still spend 10 minutes or less doing my makeup. So let's start from the beginning. Primer. After I've done my skincare, I have to prime my skin, and I find that when I use a primer, that's when my makeup lasts the longest. And for me, I'm an oily skin girly, so obviously I will always look for a primer that will try to control my oil, that also grips makeup, because you want a primer that will grip your makeup so that it stays in place, it does not move. That way you can stay looking nice for long. So for primer, this is my go-to primer. I've been using this primer for quite some time. I'm happy with it. The fact that it also has some skincare properties, I'm happy with that. It's got 1% salicylic acid, which is also good for my skin concerns. This primer, it really mattifies my skin. I don't put it all over my face. I only put it, at the center of my face, because that's where I mostly get oily. So I love the fact that whenever I apply this primer, I know that my makeup is gonna stay put for the rest of the day, and my oils are gonna be controlled, because again, when your skin produces so much oil, it tends to lift your makeup. That way it doesn't last long, or you always have to do some touch-ups, apply powder again, blot your face. I don't even blot my face when I apply this primer. Love, love, love. But if you have oily skin, get yourself a different primer, because you don't need this primer. This is a mattifying primer. You need primer that is going to moisturize your skin. Now, when it comes to my base, I've tried many different foundations in the past, but this one I'm in love with. This one I'm obsessed with. This is the Lancome Idole Ultra Wear Foundation. Mine is in the shade 510. Love, love, love this foundation. I personally love a makeup look that is more skin-like, that is more on the lighter side. This foundation is not thick at all. It's very thin. When you pump it on your hand, it literally just runs on your skin because it's so thin. I love that fact about this foundation. It's lightweight, it's thin, but the coverage is on another level. I only do one pump here, done. I'm going to get all the coverage that I need and more. The coverage is on another level. So I love, love, love this foundation, and the fact that it's super lightweight. It does not feel heavy on my skin. It feels like my skin is still breathing. Skin-like. Favorite by far, my favorite foundation. I don't apply foundation every single day, but whenever I feel like I want to apply foundation, this is my go-to. Still on the base, when it comes to concealer, love, love, love a lightweight concealer, but there is still full coverage. This is my go-to concealer when I just want that bit of brightness under my eyes. It's got great coverage, it's lightweight, and my favorite thing about this concealer, if you know, you know. Creasing under the eyes is a problem. It's a problem with many concealers, but this one here, this NARS Creamy Radiance Concealer, it does not crease. That's one of my favorite things about this concealer, besides the fact that the coverage is great and it's also lightweight. It blends very easily, because that's another important thing. You need products that blend easily, because blending your makeup takes a lot of time. So if products refuse to blend together, you're going to spend a lot of time in front of the mirror trying to blend your foundation, trying to make sure that your makeup looks great. But if you use products that easily blend, that are easy to blend, that are easy to work with, it's going to cut the time that you spend doing your makeup in half. So love, love, love this NARS Creamy Radiance Concealer. This one is in the shade Caramel. I actually need another shade that is more closer to my skin tone for those days when I don't need to highlight, when I just need to, do the bare minimum. All right, let's talk face powder. For me, a good face powder is a must, because I don't always apply liquid foundation and things like that. Sometimes I'll just go over my moisturizer and my sunscreen with a face powder. So having a good coverage face powder for me is everything. And for me, this Studio Fix Powder Plus foundation is my absolute favorite. Like I said, it's a foundation powder. So besides the fact that it will set your liquid products and keep them in place, it's a foundation on its own. So on those days when I really don't have time to blend a liquid foundation, I just go over my sunscreen with this face powder and it evens out my skin tone. Then I'll have a bit of bronzer, lip gloss, and then I'm out the door. I look put together. I look like I've done something, whereas I hardly spend 2 minutes in front of the mirror. So having a good foundation powder is a must for me. This is by far my favorite. And speaking of a bronzer, this girl right here, Fenty, I have no words. I have no words. This is my absolute favorite bronzer. This is what it looks like. This is in the shade Mocha Mami. I love the shade of this bronzer. I love the fact that it's a little bit more on the warm side. So when I use this bronzer, I hardly ever use blush, and I really don't need to use blush because this bronzer has more color than I need. And I love the fact that you can also use this instead of an eyeshadow, just to have a bit of something on your eyes, and it will just tie your entire look together. So I love this bronzer. This is the only bronzer I've got because I don't see a need for me to find another one. Speaking of Fenty, when I tell you Fenty is the girl that she thinks she is. When it comes to lip glosses, I don't think I'll ever use any other lip gloss. As you can see, I've got a number of shades of these Fenty Beauty lip glosses. I've got the shade Fussy, Chocolate, I've got Cookie Jar. These are so good, they're so moisturizing, they are just perfect. If you've been on a hunt for a perfect lip gloss, this for me is exactly that. In fact, let me apply some right now. I'm almost out of this shade. Smells so good. This is the shade Chocolate. I'm almost out, as you can see. I just love these lip glosses. They're just so moisturizing. They leave my lips so soft. I swear by these lip glosses, you don't need much. Just a bit of lip liner, lip gloss, and you are out the door. Sometimes I don't even apply lip liner, especially with this shade Chocolate. This one, I love this shade. Without lip liner, without anything. I just love. And they last a long time. You don't need to reapply every hour. Maybe after you've eaten something, then you can reapply. But other than that, these will stay on, moisturizing your lips for the whole day. Love. I love these lip glosses. And then when it comes to setting your makeup, because that's the one thing that will make sure that your makeup stays put the whole day, that your makeup does not move. And depending on whether you have dry skin or oily skin, for me again, oily skin girly, so this is my go-to. I've been using this for a very long time. This Maybelline Lasting Fix setting spray. It's a mattifying setting spray. This will keep my makeup in place. What I do is, before I blend my foundation or my concealer, I'll spray my face with this. Then I will blend it together with the foundation and the concealer. And I don't even need to spray my face at the end, but I will still do sometimes just to make sure that my makeup is locked in. This is really good. As much as it's a mattifying spray, it doesn't leave my face super dry, because that's what I find with other mattifying setting sprays, that yes, you will get that matte finish and you will get that oil control, but your face is gonna feel so tight, so dry the whole day. This does not do that. It will still give me that matte finish. It will still lock my makeup in, but my face will still feel moisturized. It will not feel dry at all. So I've been using this for a very long time. Love. Let me know if you want to see me again doing my everyday makeup look, but I've done my everyday makeup look a number of times here on my channel. I'm going to link some of the videos below so that you can see how I do my makeup look. As soon as I have something that has changed or I want to update my makeup routine, then I will do an updated everyday makeup routine. But for now, I do have videos on how I do my everyday makeup routine, and like I said, I'm going to link some of them below. Those are all the skincare and makeup products that I use on a daily basis that are really helping me to take my skincare and my makeup game to the next level and make sure that I always look put together. I'm always glowing. I always look like I've put in so much effort every day with my makeup, whereas I didn't. It's just those tips and tricks that I use, and the fact that these products really allow me to not have to spend a lot of time doing my makeup. If you did enjoy the video, please do give it a thumbs up, and also do click that subscribe button. I love to have you over. Until the next video, bye.